Hi, I'm Sari Stahl at Mountain Land Physical Therapy at the Billings Heights location. We love treating everybody from head to toe, any injuries or functional deficits that you would like to get back to full function. We also specialize in women's health, and that can be anything from pelvic floor pain, incontinence, endometriosis, aches and pains related to pregnancy. And I'd like to show you a tip to help you with urgency issues. A lot of people struggle with making it to the bathroom in time, and you can simply do 10 roll-ins and outs where you're making sure to rotate at the hips to point the knees and the toes in and the knees and the toes out. You would do 10 of these slow and steady while focusing on belly breathing and relaxing. After those 10, the urge should be gone and you can calmly stand up and calmly walk to the bathroom. Progressing from here, there's much more that we can do. So we would love for you to call us and get you in for an appointment. Our number is 406-206-6888 for the Billings Heights location. And to find any location near you, the website is www.mlrehab.com.